Watch what happens when I change the department to sales. Now I'll change the role to sales rep. The total annual payroll updates instantly. Now let's switch the department to marketing and the role to marketing coordinator. The total updates again. Google Sheets calculates the total automatically. All I have to do is choose my criteria. This is all done with the SUMIFS function. I'm Matt, this is the real world teacher, and let's learn how to build this. We want to start by clicking the cell where our result should appear. We want it in K3. Then we're going to go equal SUMIFS, open bracket. You can see there's a bunch of different things that we can do here. The first is our sum range. We're going to be looking for total annual payroll for some given categories. So we're going to go to column G where it says total annual payroll. I want it to go all the way down. And if I add more employees, I'd like them to be included. So we're going to get rid of G10. So G2 to G, and then it goes all the way down for the possibility of more employees. From there, we're looking at our criteria range 1. Based on our table, we know the first criteria we're going to be looking for is department. So we're going to go over to column D, like what we did with column G. We're going to delete the number on the second part of the range, so it goes all the way down. We then have to select criterion 1 from that range, which is going to be I3 here, the department that we're going to type in to look for specifically. You can also type in the specific thing you're looking for in the formula, so you could type in marketing, but that's not as dynamic, so I don't like to always do that. We're now on criteria range 2, which is the role. We go over to our role column E, and like the other columns, we're going to delete the 7, so it's just E2 colon E, so it goes all the way down. We then go to a criterion 2, so what specifically are we looking for? The way we have it set up here, we're going to select J3, so we can type in the specific role that we're looking for. Now, we close our bracket, hit enter. This is the total annual payroll from the marketing department for those that are marketing coordinators. This holds true for any department that's available and any role that's available. We could type in sales, which would now give us $0, which does make sense because there's no one from the sales department that is a marketing coordinator. To get an actual result, I would have to choose a role in sales, like sales rep. Let's type sales rep, which populates a new total annual payroll for those in the sales department who happen to be sales reps. One mistake beginners make is thinking SUMIFS checks one condition or another. It doesn't. Every row has to satisfy every condition before it's included. We saw this earlier. If I had my department as sales and my role as inventory lead, nothing comes up. Both have to be met for my total annual payroll to be calculated. That's how you use the SUMIFS function to calculate totals based on multiple conditions. Whether you're adding salaries, sales, expenses, or inventory, SUMIFS helps you find exactly the total you need without filtering your data manually. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real-world skills from spreadsheets to personal finance and beyond, because this is the stuff that school skipped.